Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Our mission at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos and we teach you how to fix your car for free. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Okay, that same fuse actually controls camshaft position sensor and crankshaft position sensor and the thermostat of the car. So if that fuse is bad, your car will not start. Now we'll explain where the fuse is located and how to check it out. We guys have more than 200 videos on this car. Why? Because our mission, guys, is to save you as much money as we can. So all we need, guys, in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, leave a comment below, guys, so you can get the notification for all the new videos and all the money that we can potentially save you. So let me show you where the fuse is located now and how to check it out. So we have, guys, a 2005 BMW E46, but it should be the same for the whole generation from 1998 to 2006. We need to open the hood. Once you guys open the hood, okay, right here on the right side, doesn't matter which engine you have, even if it's a 4 or 6 cylinder, the procedure is the same. You have a fuse box and you have 4 screws that you need to remove, and what you remove them with, Torx 25. All the tools and parts that we use, guys, will be listed in the description of the video below for your convenience, so please check it out. Go ahead, open the fuse box, slide it out. Okay, and now right here, guys, if you're noticing, we have one fuse box. That's the only fuse box that you have here in the vehicle. You cannot just remove the fuses. You have to remove the whole fuse box and then take it apart. We'll show you how to do that. So let's remove it now. Need a flathead screwdriver. There is one tooth that we need to pry out and pull up at the same time, but careful not to crack it. So that's what we're doing now. Okay, perfect. Now that fuse box, guys, consists of regular fuses, but how you replace them? You can just replace one fuse at a time. You need to open that cover, and on the bottom you have two teeth, okay, right here. That all we have to do, just pry them out a little bit and slide the cover back, and it will come out. Now there is a way to test the fuse if it's good without opening it, guys, and we're going to share that with you, so that way you don't have to open it. Be careful and not worry that you're going to break it or anything like that. So right here we have a voltmeter, guys, and if you're looking for a really good quality voltmeter with a true RMS, check this thing out, listed in the description of the video below. This is amazing too, guys. And right here I have it set at continuity testing. Okay, and if the fuse is good, guys, we should read 0 on the screen. It will tell us that there is communication between the left side and right side of the fuse. If it's bad, it will just stay like that. The fuse that we are looking at for the camshaft position sensor, okay, you can see this is the tooth on this side, starting from the top, 1, 2, 3, fuse number 3, 20 amp fuse. That fuse is for the crankshaft, camshaft position sensor and the thermostat. So let's check it out now. Okay, and what we guys have here, zeros, so that fuse is good. When you're ready, all we have to do, put it together, guys. Okay, push it all the way in until it clicks to make sure that everything's locked in place. Okay, and later, guys, do not forget to install, okay, your box cover right here, otherwise you may get water and moisture inside and damage your computers and fuses. So thank you for watching, guys. Please subscribe to the channel and see you guys. Hopefully, guys, the video was helpful and we were able to save you money. We, guys, have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels. Check them out. We have videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.